Hi friends, my name is Viri coming to you from the Children's Museum, Houston. Today we'll be creating moon sand. As babies get older and get to that stage where a baby rattle does not suffice, extra stimulation is a must. I would like to show you a simple sensory activity that will keep them entertained for hours and enjoy the summer beach vibes. In order to create moon sand, these are the materials that you will need. You'll need 1/4 of a cup, 1 cup, but since I didn't have 1 cup, I'm using 1/2 a cup, baby oil, a spoon, any type of container, and any kind of flour. So you will need 1/4 of a cup of oil for every 2 cups of flour. So that's what we will do right now. So remember, since this is not 1 full cup, I will be doing 4 of these since this is 1/2 of a cup. Okay, so that is 2 cups of flour. Next, you'll need 1 full 4th of a cup of baby oil. Next, you will mix it until there are no balls of oil. And since we are using flour, you can easily make this recipe baby safe if you use coconut oil instead of baby oil, and you heat up the flour to kill any potential bacteria. Once you think it is mixed, okay, you can start mixing it with your hands so you can squish all the little balls of sand. You will know the sand is ready once it stops sticking to your hands. So since it's still sticking to my hands, I will mix it a little bit more. You should also start feeling the texture a little different. And this is why it's a really good sensory activity for your babies, because they will enjoy feeling this. Especially since now we're in summer, it's gonna give them a good experience of sand, even though it's not real sand. Also, what you can do is you can find household items that you can use to create your sand castles. I'm gonna use my measuring cup that I use with the flour so I can make a shape in my sand. Turn it over. Hopefully it stays. If it stays, we did it right. There you go! Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want some more hands-on activities, come out and visit us. I'm Viridiana, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!